Students, in last class you have learnt what are modal verbs and its expressions. Now let's revise again and then we move to the next one. The modals are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to, used to, need and dare to. The verbs express the mood or manner of happening of an action or event. They are used to give an expression to ideas of ability, probability, possibility, permission, duty, determination, etc. Models do not change according to the number or person of the subject. Today, we are going to study the expressions of the verbs. The first one, can. Can is used to express ability, permission, and possibility. In ability, that's a skill. I can speak English fluently. I can swim. I can sing a song. That is ability or skill. In permission, can I go out? You can go home now. It's a permission. Next one, possibility. Coronavirus can be dangerous. You know about that, I guess. The next one, could. It's a past tense of can. It is used to express ability in the past. I could easily run fast those days. Or a polite request. Could is a polite request in the present in the form of a question. Could you give me a ride? Could you give me a ride? It's a polite request in the form of a question. The next one is may. The usage of may is grant permission or seek permission. May I go home in the afternoon? Express a wish also. Wish or prayer. Express a purpose. Express possibility. In express a wish, for example, may God bless you. May you live long. The next one, might. Might is the past tense of may. It's a less possibility of verb or doubtful possibility of verb. It is used to express he might go to a movie. Permission a doubt. A permission. Might I ask a doubt? Like this.